Woo! G'day everyone, it's the it's the carrot. Here we are in this bathroom. I'm going to be taking out that bath. A nice new freestanding bath is going in its place. Those taps need to come up, and I'll be building a nice niche in that wall. I'll be putting a nice niche in that shower. All this shower gets stripped out. I'll be jackhammering out the base and that stupid hob. I'm taking out the vanity, the mirror, the whole caboodle. We're going floor to ceiling with tiles like I did the ensuite. I'll show you the ensuite. I'll just turn off the camera for a sec. Here we have the finished ensuite. Nice, nice sliding shower screen, nice niche. See how you can never have a big enough niche. That's full already, you know, and that's only a husband and wife. How easily it gets filled up. So there you go. Okay, we'll see you soon, and I'll switch back on once I start stripping out.